Guys, oh no! Hello peeps.
Hello.
This is the end of the video for this week. We hope that you've enjoyed watching it. We have enjoyed presenting it to you. So tune in next week to see what we get up to. You know it's gonna be good, don't ya? But do you love the garden? Tell me.
Yeah, what about this week's video was your favorite? My favorite two things. The Wednesday day date.
Yeah.
And the garden.
Yeah. Welcome guys to another snippet of our week. It's Joe and Lisa, and we started off the week with chickpea curry that we were preparing for an event that they were having at church. We weren't able to attend, but we donated a big pan of chickpea curry. Anyway, up this week we have the biggest thing on our agenda is the garden makeover, and can I tell you, it was amazing. You're gonna want to see the results. It turned out really beautifully. We are so pleased. We did a lot of work, but it turned out and matched exactly everything that we had in mind. There's still a little bit more to do, and we were gifted a little device, well, a big device you'll see coming up soon. A big device that will help out a lot in the garden, and we have so many great ideas for it as well. It will save us a lot of money, and we're so grateful to the company that donated it. Thank you guys once again for staying tuned to our weekly videos, and we hope you enjoyed this one this week. Good morning people, starting my day now. Hope you're having a lovely one. Let me show you the pre. You know the drill, right? So green juice first, then I'm gonna be baking me some dumplings, baked beans, and a little Vienna chicken sausage. So that's the pre. I'll show you when I'm done. So I promised I'd show you breakfast. There's my partner in crime. There's her breakfast. And there's mine. So we're gonna max that out now, and we'll see you later. Picture. So guys, we've had our breakfast. It was good, very good, delicious, if I must say so myself. And now I think I'm going to salt some meat. I want to do some corned beef. Oh yeah, the good old traditional way.
Preserve it.
Yeah. And then I want to go to this garden center, not to buy flowers, people, so stop telling me off in the comment. No,
watch,
not to buy any flowers. That garden center also has an aquarium. So I want to go look at the fish. And I'm not sure if I don't think I'm buying any fish. No. Right, because we like going on holiday, and if we go away on holiday, we'll need to get a fish sitter. And we don't want no fish sitter. Fish sitter. Right, so I'm going to do that, and Joe's going to edit a video. So we'll see you later, guys. Hiya! I'm going to show you my outfit of the day for our Wednesday day date. So blue and white bottoms, but guess what? They're way too long. There. So what I do is to pull it all the way up, front and back. Yeah. And thanks to my friend Dahlia, who sent me this top some time ago, I think last year or the year before. And this is my outfit of the day. And I'm going out. I'm going to a garden center and aquarium kind of place. So although this is our dinner date, lunch date, we're not eating out there. We're coming back to cook our hot pot, Jamaican style. Yeah. So far so good, guys. She hasn't bought anything yet. And we're almost ready to go. Hopefully it will stay that way. We have enough flowers. And some of them, they look so beautiful, but by the time you take them home, yeah, like this angel wing plant that we bought last year or the year before, and it didn't last a month, just died. And we saw some beautiful sunflowers, just fat and healthy, but we know it won't last long. That was fun. That sums up our day date. Hope you like the plants, the flowers, the fish, animals, the water features. Guys, I'll tell you something. I'm a little bit disappointed because that water feature that we bought, that blue one that you see in our garden, so expensive, and we saw nicer ones that we would have preferred.
But we just came here too late. We should have come before.
Yeah.
But that's the way the cookie crumbles.
Right. Next time you see us, we're making lunch. Welcome to the setup for our Wednesday day date. So we're going to have a Jamaican style hot pot. We decide what we put in it, and it's what we have. So I'm inviting Leisa for lunch date with me out in the conservatory. Let's show you what and what I'm going to end up putting in it. So there's my induction hob. I've got spinach, okra, corn on the cob, beef and cow skin, yam, beef broth, and a cock flavor soup mix, noodle soup mix. We'll see if we want to add anything else to it. I might add some more noodles, but not sure yet. All right, so watch the process, guys. Watch the process.
Are you looking forward to this? Because I'm looking forward to this.
Power on. Want a quick boil, so I'm putting it on 5.
Oh, is the kettle out here?
I'm going to put the broth in first. You can get the kettle. Not sure if I'm going to need the kettle. So the beef broth is going in.
Definitely will need the kettle. Water a little.
Alright.
That little.
Some in this too.
Oh.
And then the beef and cow skin going in. Might need a little bit more. And when it starts boiling, then I'll add the things that are frozen. So let's up it. It's on 9. You know what we could do, guys, while we wait on this thing to start boiling up? We could make a smoothie. It's a lovely hot day, so we could make a fruit smoothie. What do you say? Have we got any apple juice or orange juice?
Apple.
Okay, so I'm gonna make a fruit smoothie. Once it starts boiling up, I'll add these to it, and then I'm gonna make us a fruit smoothie. Guys, let me show you. It's bubbling. Now that's a hot pot. So in goes spinach, in goes okra, in with some yam, frozen, all of this. Now my corn is going in. Now I'm going to add to it half a pack. Give it a stir. It's a rich hot pot. I'm going to put some scallion in, and that's it. I'll leave it to boil and enjoy some smoothie. Oh, cheers, Mrs. Basil.
What in this? Banana, pineapple, strawberry,
Mango, blueberry, or what juice? Apple. Or hot pot. Would you like some? Alright. Chicken. Freezing my head. It's really nice too. Oh, you want to see in it? Let me show you. Open it so the people can see. A bubbling, a bubbling, a bubbling, and it's only on three. Bubbling nicely. And it's a beautiful day, even though they say it will rain later. You want to show them outside? Unfortunately, we lost the footage of us eating the hot pot, but it was good. So there's outside, and my battery light is flashing, so I got to change the batteries. And I'll be right back.
One of them dear from Taylor fans. Really? So if you can say
or start your video with us saying
hi guys.
Well, I don't know if we're guilty of that. We think we say hi guys sometimes. Anyway, how you doing?
We good. We just had our breakfast, but sorry if I forgot to show you.
Yeah.
But it was overnight
boiled dumpling.
Let's say properly, whole meal dumpling, so the people know we eat some healthy foods as well. So it was overnight whole meal dumplings
that were boiled.
And we fried them this morning. Cut them in half and fried them, 3 of them, with some callaloo and saltfish.
And was cooked hot chocolate and it nice.
Yeah, hot chocolate make and it's stovetop, my peeps.
Yeah.
With having cocoa powder. Then the hot chocolate mix, some hot chocolate, just a little bit of hot chocolate mix, but mostly cocoa powder.
Yeah.
Half pot of milk, half pot of water,
and sweetener,
and
and
vanilla and cinnamon.
Oh yeah.
So today now I
on the agenda.
Yeah, for a long drive, I don't know. But we want to cook some things this weekend.
We want to try. Did you see the last video?
We want to try jerk chicken back.
Who we see doing recently?
When name?
Presser
upper
colors. But we know a shop near enough to where we sell chicken back, so we'll try to get some.
Yeah. And we want to try roast breadfruit to try peeps.
Oh yeah, we never roast breadfruit in our life
yet, but we want to try.
If this works, that would be a good success and we must do so.
If this weekend rain no fall, we're going to try.
Yeah.
So watch out for that.
Alright.
Big way up. Anyway, have a good day. Gonna clean up this breakfast mess. And then head on the road.
Yeah. We might want to make some festival and fish later for lunch.
So make the festival.
So I make the dough and leave it, head out on the road. I may work for the twin, I may have a blog post to write for the blog.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Right. Thanks. May I have some more plates?
Okay, coming up. So we've stopped at Aldi now, guys. Lisa is going in for celery, fruits, cucumber, fruits. We have lemon and ginger already.
Yeah, that's it.
And I'm going to a shop next door because I need some pillowcases for a project I'll be working on soon.
And a lady's passing and looking suspiciously.
Yeah. She thinks the camera is pointed at her. It's not. You're not the focus of attention. It's me. Morning. I'm good, thanks. So there's this little shop that puts out stuff on the road. Oh, and they sell like sheets and pillowcases and bath mats and all those. So this is what I want to look at, to see if I can find some pillowcases for a project idea I have in mind. All right. Wait. Mango. Marshies, you have nothing over us, not true?
Nothing.
Wayne Marshall at Meet the Mitchells, nothing over us. So I went for a
Julie,
and
which
I went
was
£7 per kilo.
And this was £6 per kilo, and it's from Dominican Republic. And I don't know what kind of mango, and the lady don't know neither. And I don't business. They smell nice. Help!
What's up?
Nice.
See you next week, guys. You want to eat all that mango in front of them?
Watch.
Oh no!
The Lord prepares a table before me in the presence of my subscribers. We watch it, guys.
All these things I eat. You taste that, Lisa?
No.
You taste it, man.
No, I told you to buy one like this and you insisted. No.
And it's there right now.
Nice bud.
You want to taste it?
Touch your one penny.
Anyway, man, nice.
Push up yours and look up at the difference in the color.
This is nice mango.
Run the comments. You must put the comment on the screen, they are idiot.
Over this. That makes it. I want you.
I feel weak. I like that. Is my mouth clapping? If it is, hush.
No, on the next best. At least that's enough, yes it is. I will not help out.
Right, they're taking pretty close.
Hey y'all, morning. Well, today isn't looking too bad. Weather-wise, sun keep going in and out, but we're gonna try and make the best of it. So today we think we want to focus on the garden. You coming? Yeah, come check it out with us.
So this is the current state. So I'm just outside the door of the conservatory now. So out from the conservatory, there's that. To the left, lots of stuff that I can't get rid of, like that shelf unit. The stores are outdoor stuff. There's the lawnmower, and it has to be covered up in case it rains. And this drum is full of water with chlorine in it. Some flowers on there. And to the immediate left side of the garden, those pink ones over there, somehow they look like some disease has taken them over, so they look mossy. So I've pulled out some already and I want to take the others out. And these ones, when they're in full bloom, they're a beautiful yellow. They haven't come out as much yet, but they will be beautiful. And further down, there's my cosmos, which I love. One year I had all cosmos in here. All the long width of here was cosmos. And there's another one. I have garlic growing in the middle there. And that was garlic that wasn't picked last year, so it just came back up. Oh, the sunflower is broken. Oh no. Oh no, I wonder if it can be saved. I'm gonna try. Don't know if that will save it, but I've tried. so it's up right now. And then those are some poppies, purple poppy, which is really beautiful. I have 2 drums of these, variegated, not variegated, one is real bright yellow and one is light yellow, petunias. And then this is a yellow and white mix again, because like I said earlier, this year we wanted to have the garden being yellow and white mostly. These are dahlias, so I have about 4 pots of dahlias. Those there. I had to put an old piece of carpet here to hold down some of the weeds. I don't like that part of gardening. And then these are some lilies, one particular variety, a different one. That over there is another dahlia. That's another lily. Lilies in that one there. And then to the back of the garden, we recently put some wood cuttings down on this section because it was just so full of weeds, and none of us like weeding, so we put the black membrane down and then lots of the wood shavings. So that's the very back to the left of the garden. Here this is a junk pile collection area. Let me step back a little. So that's our old barbecue, which really needs to go to the tip. That's our new one up there. Yeah. So this old one we want to get rid of along with all these. So that and that, want to get rid of those. So I'm going to look for a date to book for the council to come collect it. And this is lots of the purple poppies from last year, not last year, earlier this year I sowed those. And then I don't remember what these ones are called, these ones that are blossomed already purple. This is going to be a beautiful show when they're out. These are purple poppies and they're really tall, so that's going to be nice. Those are bluegrass that we bought, I think it was last year, and they stayed all year out in the front of the garden, but somehow they just look odd on their own. A big pot of bluegrass, so we moved them, took them out of the pot, reused the pots and put them in the back now. Then that's petunia, purple, so that's doing well. Gonna go up and then oh sorry, I jumped over this, which you might have seen in an earlier video. This is our courgette zucchini or courgette, so they're doing really well, 6 of them. Right, I'm gonna go back up top so I can do the right side of the garden. So again, at the door of the conservatory to the right, I have this storage box. Well, we have this plant that looks kind of like grass, but it blooms a lovely orange. And then we have sweet pea growing in that one. This is a plant I got from Jamaica, don't tell them, shh, and it's doing well. That's rosemary and that's celery. And then here my hanging basket that some of you might have seen me make live on a live one evening. I made that hanging basket with artificial flowers. Then there's the umbrella is in the way. There's our barbecue. Today, if the sun does manage to stay out, we'll perhaps have a barbecue. And this is the dining area. You have to lean the chairs over because of cats. These are petunias that I grew from seed. Can you imagine? So I don't know which color it is, because last year we had purple and pink, and I just took some of the seeds and sowed them, and this is the result. And then that's our compost heap, compost bin. So we put scraps and cuttings and food peel and so on in there, and we get lovely compost for the garden. So the plan is this week to get a garden makeover done. Wish us luck. Already the sun has gone in, so I'm not sure about the barbecue. Our version of cutlass. Let's see, Joe. Yeah.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man.
Maybe my sewing can start today. Oh yeah. Guys, wait, let me fix you. Yeah, that's a little better. We yeah, as you know, we're blaps. As you should know, we're planning the garden reno, garden makeover, garden update, garden upkeep more than anything. But it's kind of looking gloomy, like it's not going to be nice to be out in the garden, maybe. So maybe today we can do some sewing out here because we have some plans for the garden too. Yeah, for the garden to make some nice cushions for the seats. The shower curtain that was, well, the remnants from the shower curtain turned wall art. I'm going to use some is left. Yeah, we have some left over. We also have some red pillowcases that we bought cheap to turn into sort of cushions for the loungers. Yeah, you'll see. I'm going to take you along. I'm going to be doing the sewing, perhaps right here too. And I'll take you along and we'll see. But for now, we're just having our oats porridge. Pops. Pop. Yeah, mommy, that said pop. Have a little pop. Who likes pop? Pop. Pop. Who likes pop? Me. Alright, guys, have a lovely day. It tastes nice like condensed milk in there, but there was no condensed milk. Evaporated milk. And sweetener, so it's not even sugar. Right, we're gonna max out this quick and fast and then get to work. Yeah. So after breakfast, I decided to take the pillowcases that I bought outside just to see about how many pillowcases it would take to fit on one sun lounger before I actually started sewing them together. Guys, this is a really good idea to sort of cushion out your sun lounger if you have one that's bare and basic and hard to sit on. So 3 pillowcases it took when I actually measured them up to make one seat cushion for the sun lounger. What I did after that was just to sew the 3 together. However, for the middle one, you have to leave the flap open. You have to leave it with an opening to be able to push the pillow in. So sew the 3 pillowcases together, leaving the middle one with the top open. The end ones, of course, will have the top open. So all you need to do after that is to put pillows in them. I wouldn't suggest that you buy new pillows. The same old pillows that you have in the house will do. And then it's easy for storage, because once you're ready for the pillows again, take them out and use them, and then fold your seat cushions to go in your linen closet or wherever you keep your sheets. In the meantime, Leisa is also doing some more work in the garden, and you'll see the reveal coming up in just a few more minutes.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even if you change, you can flip the gray matter like some batter in the brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it right. And if you play a game, then you just might make a change. We can range all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display, on repeat in your brain till you feel no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain, find the door, open it up, and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 still go, 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 slow, still go, go, there's no hope, go, still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Quick unboxing of something that came today. Well, it ordered the replacement cup for the NutriBullet, because I find that the other one still is colored. Yeah, it is clean, but just not crystal clear anymore. Like it's stained with fruits and veggies and so on, whatever we blend in it. So it's a bit embarrassing, even though I know it's clean. Yeah. So I'm going to try this. Let's see if it actually fits, which it should. There are several. I bought it on Amazon, but I looked for the cheapest one, because if it didn't work, I would just send it back. I'll plug it in and try. Empty? Try it, yeah. I think try. Perfect, it works.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never ran to the no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, for the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Guys, you know we said this week's video is not about unboxing, right?
But it is.
Well, in a way it is, because look here. Kindly gifted to us from Ryobi. So it's a pressure washer that come in really handy right now.
As we're doing the garden makeover.
Because we're doing the garden and we need to
pressure
wash the path and the walkways and my area there. Yes.
And so then there may be plant pots that need washing off.
Yeah.
Could be
This
pressure
comes
washed.
in really handy.
Anyway, let's show you some more garden work.
Yeah.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Feel low, you can still go. Go, go slow, you can still go. Go, there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
This is the end of the video for this week. We hope that you've enjoyed watching it. We have enjoyed presenting it to you. So tune in next week to see what we get up to. You know it's gonna be good, don't ya? But do you love the garden? Tell me. Yeah, what about this week's video was your favorite? My favorite two things: the Wednesday day date, and the garden. Yeah. Right. See you next time. Bye.